We just heard back from one of our happy customers in the form of a 5-star review, and we wanted to share it with the world. This is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers. And here's the exact 5-star review that one of our customers left online about their experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star customer services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a great confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers, and we want to earn one from you. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.